today's video, I'm going to show you an amazing hair growth treatment that have helped me grow my hair much faster. If you're someone suffering from hair loss, if you're balding, split ends, your hair just keeps breaking, then you must keep watching this video. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. And to my lovely subscribers, you know how much I appreciate your support. Thank you so much for all the support you gave me. And if you're new here, wish you a whole lot of love around this channel. So please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. On this channel, I teach you how to grow your hair using natural ingredients. So make sure you join us by subscribing. Alright, so my first ingredient for today's recipe is thyme. Thyme has so many amazing hair growth benefits. When added to your hair care regimen, it's going to boost your hair growth. I'm going to tell you more about thyme and why you should add it to your hair care regimen later on in the video. So make sure you're watching this video to the end and do not skip any part of it. My next ingredient for today's recipe is the rosemary herbs. Feel free to use the dry rosemary if that is what you can find. Rosemary herbs is an amazing natural ingredient that can help you grow your hair much faster. I mean, it's a natural ingredient that can help promote nerve growth, and this will help you grow new healthy hair. It is also going to treat your scalp of dandruff, dry itchy scalp, or any scalp issues that you might be having. These two natural ingredients are very powerful and can help you grow your hair much faster. So what I did was I started by washing these two herbs. Make sure whenever you are preparing your hair care regimens, you always wash them so you do not have any dirt or bacteria in your recipe. After that, I just put them in the saucepan and added water to it. There is no measurement to the water you have to add. It all depends on the quantity that you are making. Too much or too less is not going to harm you in any way. And that's one thing I love about natural ingredients. So at this point, I just boiled it for about 10 minutes. Then I'm going to set it aside and allow it to cool down. So after our recipe has been cooled down, the next thing is to make sure to strain it. We just need the water from this recipe. And here you are. If you're still watching this video to this point and you haven't shown your girl some love, what are you waiting for? Show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And when you click on the bell, click on it again and select all so you do not miss any of my videos. Let me tell you guys, giving videos thumbs up means a lot to me and it is free. So please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And I love reading your comments, so make sure you leave me a comment in the section below. This recipe right here is super effective, but the only thing is if you do not know the right way to use it, you're not going to get all the benefit. And I'm going to show you exactly how to use this. So make sure you're not skipping any part of this video and you're watching to the end. Alright, so at this point, I'm going to cover my mason jar and I'm going to put them in the refrigerator. Make sure you store your recipe in the refrigerator because it is all water-based. So leaving it on the counter, your recipe might go bad. And this is what I'm having now. I just love how they are looking. And they work so well when it comes to hair growth. So when I'm ready to use, I just grab one from my refrigerator and I'm going to show you exactly how to use this, the best way to grow your hair. As you can see, the mason jar is all cold, but I'm not going to use this water when it's still cold. I'm going to make sure to warm it up. So I'm going to pour some into my cup and microwave it for about 30 seconds or till it's warm to touch. Do not make it hot because you do not want to burn your scalp. Alright, Alright, so after transferring my warm recipe into my bottle, I'm going to add my aloe vera oil. I made this pure aloe vera oil myself, and I'm going to leave the recipe in the description box, so make sure to check it out. You can use any oil of your choice, and this is why you should be adding thyme to your hair care regimen. Thyme delivers powerful nutrients to your hair strands that will prevent your hair from breaking. It also helps circulate blood in your scalp, which will help improve new healthy hair growth. You all know usually our 4C natural hair tends to dry so fast, especially if you have high porosity hair. So whenever my hair is dry, I make sure to re-moisturize it. Do not allow your hair to dry throughout the week. You always have to go in with some kind of water-based solution, as well as your leave-in condition and your hair growth batter to moisturize your hair to prevent it from breaking. So instead of using regular water to moisturize my hair, I use this to moisturize my hair because it has so many amazing benefits that will also going to help me boost my hair growth. I start by spraying this onto my scalp. New hair always grows from the scalp. And believe it or not, dandruff, dry itchy scalp, and other bacteria also start to grow from the scalp. So it is very important you always treat your scalp and make your scalp always clean so your hair can always grow healthy. And when you use this treatment, because of its antiseptic, antibacterial, and antifungal properties, it is going to help treat your scalp and prevent dandruff, dry itchy scalp, or any scalp issues that can prevent your hair from growing. That is why it's very important to spray this on your scalp. So another way is to also use to moisturize my hair strands. I spray this onto the ends of my hair. Then after that, I go in with my leave-in conditioner as you saw me do. Then I apply my hair growth batter to it. After that, I make sure to massage it into my hair. I separate my hair, use my hands to massage it into the hair strands, onto my scalp. Make sure it really penetrates into my hair strands so it can also prevent hair breakages. I also go in with my leave-in conditioner and also seal it with my hair growth batter. Remember, we already added some oil to this recipe. So everything together is going to make your hair flourish and really grow fast. Make sure you use this often to get better results from it. After that, do not forget to put your hair in a protective hairstyle to lock in the moisture. Thank you so much for watching this video today. I hope you have given this video a thumbs up, and I know if you're new here, you have already subscribed. Before leaving, click on the video you see on your screen right now to watch it. Bye.